What is tense in English? Super simple. Tense tells you when something happens. Example, I talk tells a fact or a routine. But if you say, I talked, you are talking about a finished action in the past. We have 3 times: past, present, future. At each of these times, there are 4 different verb structures: simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. It's useful to divide them into 12 like this: present simple, I study; present continuous, I am studying; present perfect, I have studied; present perfect continuous, I have been studying; past simple, I studied; past continuous, I was studying; past perfect, I had studied; past perfect continuous, I had been studying; future simple, I will study; future continuous, I will be studying; future perfect, I will have studied; future perfect continuous, I will have been studying. In this series, you will learn all 12 structures. Easy idea: tense equals time plus verb form. Which tense is hardest for you? Comment below. Follow for more easy English.